Welcome to this quick video on the Analyse data option in Microsoft Excel. So there's Excel, for anyone who uses it, you know there's so many super powerful tools to go in and interrogate your data. You've got tons of functions, you can add pivot tables, you can do so much, but you can also just have a quick look at what's going on. You can select some data and you can see down at the bottom some quick wins on what is going on. If I just select that data, you can see at the bottom I've got averages, I've got counts, I've got sums, so a quick bit of information, but maybe I want to know a little bit more. And this is a really nice quick function where it's going to use its AI to figure out what you might be looking at, and it's going to present you with some of your information in maybe a different way and allow you to suggest other ways as well. So what I'm going to do is just select the data I wanted to look at on my spreadsheet, and then when I'm on the home tab on the ribbon at the top with all the options, on the right hand side there I've got Analyse data, and if I click on that, what that's going to do is it's going to figure out what I'm looking at, and then it's going to give me loads of insights into my data, which is a really quick way, without having to do pivot tables or anything else, a really quick way to see what's going on and find some information out. And if I scroll down, you can see I've got insert pivot table option. It will do a pivot table for me based on that data. It will do a chart for me based on that data, so frequency of order amount, frequency of days. I've got pivot chart again there. So loads of things, and if you look at the bottom as well, you've got more results that are hidden, so it's just going to present you with some of those bits of information and some of that analysis, but you can see more. If I scroll back up to the top there, you've got suggested questions, but you can also ask questions as well, and again it's going to suggest things based on the information that you've selected in there. So make sure you select your headers of your columns and things like that to really help it out, and it's just a useful way of starting to look at your data in maybe a slightly different way without having to create any charts, any pivot tables or anything. Excel will do that for you. So really quick video here, but I just wanted to show you, if you've never seen that this is quite a useful function in Excel. So please do have a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.